Yes, you can successfully paint ceramic tile walls in your bathroom, but I wouldn't recommend trying to paint the floor. It just won't hold up. And you can really update the look of a bathroom, especially if you have some of the old colored tiles like pink or avocado. But in this case, the blue tiles here work pretty well in this bathroom. Homeowner's done a very good job. But if you decide to paint, here are the steps you need to go through. First of all, use 100 grit sandpaper and sand the surface of the tiles throughout the bathroom. Then wipe it down to thoroughly clean it. Follow that with a bonding primer. Paint that over the entire surface. Then apply a coat of epoxy paint and you'll see a dramatic difference in your bathroom. But one thing that'll be a little different is that, one of the nice things about ceramic is that the grout really accents the look of that tile. Once you paint it, you'll lose that effect.